guys, so today I've got a couple things for y'all, really just one major thing. So some of you know I have a 2016 Subaru STI, not a whole lot of mods on it. I've got the intake access port, I've got an exhaust on it, I've got some lowering springs, the weather protect mats. I mean, I'm just going through all the stuff. I've got a different shift knob and stuff like that. I mean, stuff that's pretty neat, you know, pretty cool. I might actually take my stock shift knob and switch that out if I can. Anyways, I'll come back in here for that. So it hurts me to do this, but I think today I'm gonna trade in my car and I'm getting a truck. I got a new job, and this job is just better for me to have a truck. I'm ready to have a truck for a little bit. I think eventually I'm gonna buy something that I can modify and what I can put on the channel and stuff. But while I have the truck, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm not really sure, man. I'm gonna be able to do a lot of things. I'm gonna do some modifications to the truck. It's still gonna be like a car channel kind of, you know, but I'm maybe gonna look at getting maybe a side-by-side and doing some of that stuff, or possibly I talked to the wife about maybe even a boat. I don't know. I got a truck now so I can pull stuff, but let me show you the truck that I'm looking at. So here it is, guys. It's a GMC 1500 Sierra Denali, and man, I love this truck. Comes with a bed cover. It's super nice in here. I love it. Super clean. It is used, of course. It's 2014, but I mean, this thing's super clean, guys, and yeah, I really like it. I feel like that's the next move for now. I'm going to probably eventually I'm going to put beefier tires on it. I may take these off and keep them just in the shop or something. Put bigger tires on it. It is 4-wheel drive, which is cool. So yeah, guys, I don't know. Let me know what you think. By the time you see this video, I'll probably already have this vehicle. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited to have a truck, and I still do have the Lightning over here, so maybe I can start modifying that thing and getting that thing going now that I won't have the Subaru anymore. And I wish, guys, I wish that I could keep the Subaru. I really do. But my Subaru payment is like 500 something bucks a month, and then this truck is going to be like 500 something bucks a month. There's no way I can spend $1,000 on just 2 vehicles for me. I mean, plus my wife's vehicle. It's just not. We could do it, but dude, I mean, it's just not. It's not even worth it. Not having 3 car payments with 2 people in the house, and I've got 2 vehicles over here. So this Chevy Silverado right here, we're selling it. It's got 100,000 miles. It's a V6. It runs great. It's a good truck. I mean, I think we'll maybe get like 4,000 for it, if that. 4,500, 4,000. I don't know. I think it's just time to move on. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stock shift knob, because I don't want to get rid of. I wanted to take some of the parts off, but it's it's actually at the dealership right now, and I can't get to it. So I don't know. I'm just gonna have to sell it as is, I guess, and I'm not gonna part it out or anything. So hopefully the next person that gets it will enjoy what I've done to it. Yeah, sad day, guys, but anyways, let's get up to the dealership and I'll take y'all along for the ride. Went to pick up the wife, guys, and we're gonna head to the dealership. I brought this because I'm gonna put the stock one back on and keep that one. So, guys, we're here in Dallas right now. It is 12:15. I think we're about 20 minutes or so from, I don't know, maybe a little bit further than that, from McKinney. But we're probably gonna get something to eat, and then we're gonna head that way. Hopefully we hear something back from my credit union soon. And yeah, guys, hopefully we'll be coming home with this today, saying goodbye to the Subaru, unfortunately. Unless, Riley, you want to get rid of your GMC, and then you can drive the Subaru. No. You sure? Yes, I'm sure. That would, man, I should have done that video. I should have got you to try and drive the Subaru while I had it. You've never drove a stick, right? No. Yeah, she's never driven a stick shift. That's a hard car to learn on, though, guys. Like, I need to find something like old, like I learned on my truck, my old Dodge, my first truck. But my buddy Zev, he had a like a 80 something model, what is it, a Chevy S10, and dude, we would rip that thing down like country roads, just like doing like 80 on this little bitty pickup. But it was like the perfect truck to drive, to learn to drive stick shift on. It was so easy to drive. Even my mom has like she has a 2018 5.0, but she has a like a, I don't know, 2000 something Jetta, Volkswagen Jetta, that's pretty easy to drive. So I might try and get that video of maybe you driving the Jetta. Why do you want Panera so bad?
I love Panera.
Yeah, but it's like there's other things out there besides just Panera. We're in Dallas. There's like one of those every 10 seconds.
What do you want?
I was actually gonna wait until I was a little bit hungry. Maybe we can go to Torchy's or something.
Well, I'll do Panera now and you can do Torchy's later.
All right, we're just delaying the process even longer, but that's okay.
Well, we gotta
all right, guys, so we'll be back. Well, guys, it's a done deal. Subaru's gone. Now the Denali's mine. Sad day. I gotta clean out all this junk. I'm gonna miss this car. All right, guys, so that's it. We got it all cleaned out. Sucks to say it, but the Subaru is no longer mine. I'm gonna miss this car, man. I'm gonna miss it so much. But time to move on. Dang it. I wanna miss that thing. Well, what now?
I
guess I can cry now. Just kidding. I am gonna miss that thing, man. That was one of my favorite cars I've ever had. It was seriously a dream of mine growing up to have a Subaru one day, especially a STI. And of the age of, what, how old was I when I got it? 24? Age of 24, I was able to get it. It's pretty cool, man. 24 years old, can afford a $30,000, $34,000 car. I mean, I think I did pretty good, but man, that's such a clean car, guys. That was like one of the best condition 2016 STIs I've ever seen. I'm definitely gonna miss it, but it's all right. It's what it is. On to better things. And I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with the channel. We'll see. But this is officially my truck. It's crazy. Been looking for how long now, baby?
A couple months.
It's been longer than that, because I was looking last year whenever I got the STI. Been looking for like a year or longer for a truck. And I got the STI, and then I started looking again. And I'm gonna take y'all back here to the back. So there's a couple STIs back here that are freaking clean, man. I don't know if they're customers or if they are workers, but there was a little, there's a little nice little STI with the bronze wheels.
Look at that one.
That's not an STI.
No, but look at it.
Yeah. Man, there was a pretty sweet bug eye back here. I don't see it anymore though. Okay, so there's one of the older ones that I saw. That thing's pretty nice. Pretty cool looking. But yeah, they had a pretty sweet bug eye back here, man. Like an old, I don't know what year it was, but you know which one I'm talking about, the old bug eye ones. It was a STI. It was pretty sweet, man. I think they were just doing some work to it, but it's gone now. So anyways, guys, oh my gosh, my emotions are all over the place right now. I'm kind of sad. I'm gonna miss that car, but I've got a truck now, so I'm excited. And I don't know what that guy was staring at. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all here in a little bit. I just wanted to get this on video more for me. I don't know if y'all are even gonna care to watch this, but I wanted to have it just as memories. You know, it's crazy. My car is gone now, so I love you guys, and I'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right, guys, so it's not washed or anything, but I just want to give y'all a quick rundown of the truck. Not even a rundown, but just like a quick glance at it. Pretty sweet. Came with the bed cover. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go in here real quick. I'll come back out here and then I'll show y'all more. Like, I'm gonna go wash it when I get back to Ennis, and then kind of go more in depth of everything it has or whatever if y'all want to see that. So anyways guys, I'm excited. I'm starting to feel better about it. I'll see y'all here in a little bit. Alright guys, so finally got home, a little bit sweaty. It's kind of hot out here in Texas, but I got the truck all cleaned out. Man, so the Subaru is gone for good, man. I will always remember that car. I'm glad that I have videos of it, and the memories I have in there, and driving that thing back from Colorado, that will always be something that I'll forever remember. And I don't know if I've ever edited that video. I think I did. If you haven't seen that video, guys, you got to go find it. I'm gonna look and make sure when I'm editing this that I have the video on my YouTube channel. But if you haven't seen that video, guys, you got to go check that out. We actually flew to Denver, picked the car up at the airport, and spent a couple days in Colorado, and then drove back. Man, it was such a fun trip. Such a fun trip. And gosh, guys, I know it sounds stupid, but I will definitely miss that car, and it is kind of emotional. I mean, ever since I was like little, I remember seeing the STIs, doing the rally racing and stuff like that, and just growing up and being like, man, that's just an awesome car. I always wanted one, and I finally got one, and I had it for I think like 9 months, and I don't know, man, it was a great car, but dude, it's expensive to modify it to get it to where I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be like a 500 horsepower car, and it was going to cost like $18,000 to get it, to build the motor, everything. And if you think I'm exaggerating, go to any Subaru forum and look at some build lists. And I'm serious, guys. Just to build that motor for 500 to 550 horsepower, you're looking at about $18,000 to like $20,000, and I just don't have the money to do that. You look at Evan Shanks; it's cheaper to modify Evos, and you look at how even he says that it's expensive to modify his Evo. To do a big turbo kit and stuff like that, and to build it, it's crazy, man. That was my old buddy I used to work with, Carlos. It's crazy expensive, man. But anyways, it was just time for me to move to a truck. My job now, I don't have to have a truck, but I want a truck. I'm on construction sites all the time, and I don't know, man. It's just the work that I'm doing right now. It just fits to have a truck. It's kind of difficult getting where I need to go sometimes, and drive. I drive a lot, man. I drive all the time, and the gas mileage is good with the STI, but driving a stick shift all the time, it's just, man, it was a pain in the butt. But I promise you guys, I promise you, this channel is not gonna die, and that's not gonna be my last sports car. I'm on the come up, guys. I'm telling you, I'm ready to start making that real money. And I will have another car eventually, maybe not anytime like super soon, but if you really support me, then you'll stay on the channel, man, and just watch the stuff I put out. I've got some more California videos coming. I've got some other stuff coming out, and guys, I promise you, I'm gonna do my best to keep this channel going. And I mean, this was never meant to be a car channel in the first place. It was really meant for my motorcycle. Once I sold the motorcycle, then it became a car channel, and now it's just kind of, I'm just vlogging whatever I can, guys. And I appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the comments, guys. If you're watching this, please subscribe. I think right now I'm at like 4,500 subscribers or 4,300, something like that. And the goal for this year was 10,000. It still is 10,000. My goal for last year, the December, was to hit I believe 4,000. Yeah, was to hit 4,000 by December, and I did that. So yeah, guys, man, I'm excited. You know what, that's not right. The goal for this year that I set was for 5,000 subscribers, and I think the next 2 years I'd like to get 10,000. But if I can hit 5,000 subscribers this year, guys, it would mean the world to me. So I don't know, guys, stuff's coming to the channel, I promise you. Now I got a truck, so I'm thinking about getting either maybe a side-by-side, start doing stuff like that, or possibly a boat. And I think it's really cool, like jigging with Jordan and those guys. They go scuba diving like in the rivers and stuff, and treasure hunting and stuff. Man, that's so cool. I can watch this stuff all day long. I've thought about maybe getting into that. I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys. But I'm just gonna give you, while you're here and I got the truck clean, I'll give you a quick tour of the truck. It is a 2014 GMC Sierra. It is the Denali edition. That's it right there. Beautiful truck, man. I love these trucks. It's crazy because I was actually looking for a King Ranch or a Platinum Ford. Well, first I was looking at the GMCs, and then I was looking at the Chevys. Then I switched to Ford, and then I went back to a GMC when I saw this, and I was like, man, gotta have it. So pick this up, man. It's super clean. I love it. It's got a bed cover on it. Show you the back here. Yeah, guys, super nice. I love it. Love the color. Open the door here. You see it's got leather interior. Super nice color. I like the color of it. It's got the sunroof. You open the front here, you have nice interior, nice seats, plenty. So one thing that I had to have, guys, was the center console. I wanted the center console, and that's one thing that I look for in any vehicle I was looking for. I wanted the center console. It's got, you know, just like all the other new cars, it's got all the ports up here with the 120 outlet. So as you can see, it is the 5.3 V8. That's pretty weird. Looks like the battery should go here, but they have it over here. So I don't know if it's if you're able to put two batteries in here. It's kind of weird, man. I've never never seen that. So I am probably gonna get an intake for this. It's not gonna stay stock, guys. I'm gonna try and do a little bit to this thing. I'm gonna put an exhaust on it. I'm gonna do an intake and maybe get a tuner for it. We'll see. I'll show you the front. Oh my gosh, there's a squirrel right there. Better get out from under my car. Get out of there. Yep, so we're a GMC family now. Got my wife's GMC Terrain. It is 4-wheel drive, so had to have 4-wheel drive. And I think eventually these tires are like super new, super nice, big old fat tires. But I think eventually I am going to get some like mud terrains, or even maybe not mud terrains but all terrains, and I think it'll just make the truck look a little beefier. I'm gonna get some LED fog lights for this thing, and possibly eventually maybe a bumper for it. I don't know. I like how clean it looks right now, but it would look good with some like beefy tires. I might not put a bumper on it, but oh look, I got stuck in the HOV lane earlier, and I had to cross the little thing, and I think that's just it's just like tar or rubber. They put that stuff on those little spring things so you won't do that, but I did it anyway. Keep up with the channel, man. I promise you I'm not gonna quit YouTube. Like I said, please subscribe right now. Just go down there and click that subscribe button. Turn the little bell on so you know when I upload. Like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the truck. Let me know what you think about letting the Subaru go. Let me know what you really think, man. Let me know if you think that if I made a good decision, and I really want to hear it. I want you guys to be honest with me. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. All right, peace out.